Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going into Valentine's Day weekend, so you know what that means. I got a family, I got a wife. Yeah, we're not putting videos up this weekend. On top of that, the weather has just been absolutely miserable in Maryland. So we'll get back to it strong, hopefully starting next week. I got a lot of parts I need to put on this truck, but hopefully you enjoy kind of the cleaning up after ice storm, snowstorm we've had this week. And like I said, we'll check back with you guys next week. Remember, keep up the world. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.